Hello, hello, hello. I want to welcome you. This is Similolu. Welcome back to my live stream. It's a weekly live stream. Welcome to those of you who are maybe joining this live stream for the very first time. I want to welcome you to my channel. And for those of you coming back, I want to welcome you equally. And I hope today we can get something accomplished. And so staking cryptocurrency coins, that is a classic, and I want to say basic, or maybe a very simple, simple, I like the word simple, a very simple, straightforward way of making your cryptocurrency work for you. So why do you want to stake MATIC? MATIC is the native coin of Polygon. Okay, let's move on. There's a basic reason why we want to stake MATIC. Polygon, which was previously called MATIC, is the first easy to use platform for Ethereum scaling and for infrastructure development. So you want to create a dApp, I want to create a dApp. The place to go, or the place to consider going, would probably be Polygon rather than putting it on the Ethereum blockchain. And so this is the goal of Polygon, to do what Ethereum is struggling to do. Ethereum is a blockchain, and then you have decentralized apps exist on Ethereum. That's one of the reasons why it was designed. So if you want to create a dApp, if I want to create a dApp, it's a good idea to put it on Ethereum. It's just the place to put your dApps. It gives you a boost into the whole blockchain industry. So you want to put it on Ethereum. Again, Ethereum has been plagued by the network's inability to scale. It's finding it difficult to meet demand without incurring high transaction fees, as well as slow execution of transactions. So that is the main problem. So Polygon, on the other hand, is currently on track to outpace Ethereum. Why is it on track to outpace Ethereum? Well, because it's been designed with that scalability in mind. So Polygon has been designed with the intention of being able to scale in a way Ethereum is struggling to. Ethereum is struggling to handle the demand. There's a lot of demand. And that's why if you want to transfer any of your Ethereum-based coins, you'll find out that either you're paying an awful lot in terms of fees, or the transactions taking so long. Now we're getting to a point. So the whole point of this live stream is why do you want to invest in MATIC, which is the coin? If we go to CoinMarketCap, it's very interesting because I was looking on CoinMarketCap, and this year MATIC was, as you can see, it was ranked 113. But between January of this year and June, it's moved to position 17. Now, so that means, what does that mean? So January of this year, it cost 4 cents to pick up one MATIC coin. Now it costs you $1.23. Now, so that means if you invested $1,000 in January, your $1,000 would right now be worth $1,960. So almost doubled. Not bad. That's a 96% increase. Not bad considering we're talking about staking your coin, and we're not even talking about trading. So this is good information. The question is, where will MATIC be in December? And so that's why we have no ranking yet and no value, but I'm not going to attempt to predict where it's going to be, but I do have a sneaky suspicion that it will rank way higher than 17, and it will cost quite a lot more than $1.23. This is one of the reasons why I have decided to invest in MATIC. So once you buy your MATIC coin, this is the beauty of staking. Staking is simply loaning your coins that you have now bought. You're loaning it to the blockchain, And it helps to secure the blockchain. It helps to stabilize it. It helps to validate, it helps the validators to do what they do on the blockchain, which is to validate transactions. So Celcius Network is a democratized interest income and lending platform accessible via a mobile app. So you only have access to this wallet through a mobile app. You can download it on your iOS phone or on your Android. You can earn interest by transferring your coins to your Celcius wallet. And for those of you who may be interested in borrowing, you can also borrow USD against the crypto that you hold in the wallet. Okay, so Celcius. What can we earn on Celcius? Right now, I looked at my app this morning. It's earning me, this is where I got this figure from. I got it from my app. It's earning me 10.51% on Matic. This isn't bad, considering I'm not spending time day trading. I'm not trying to scalp. I'm just leaving my Matic in the wallet. And in addition to that, you get $50 for just downloading the app. So that's another little incentive, maybe, to get the wallet. I don't mind that. I'll take $50 in a heartbeat. Okay. And so the promotion there with on the Celcius wallet is once you transfer $400 or more of any supported coin to your Celcius wallet, you will receive $50. And this is what I like. You don't just receive $50 cash. You receive $50 in Bitcoin. But $50 in Bitcoin, that is what you can earn. And of course, for me, if I get that, I'm not going to spend it. Why would you spend Bitcoin? Who spends Bitcoin right now? I won't give financial advice, but if you have any of your crypto coins, really, you just don't want to be spending. The only thing you want to be doing is you want to be trading, and then you want to be buying, because Bitcoin, and not just Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency is the future, really. And all crypto coins, the solid ones that are going to stand the test of time, are not going to be the price we see them today. And that is why I have started staking Matic. Now, there are other wallets out there where you can stake various coins, and really the homework you want to do is for the particular coin that you have. First of all, you can only stake your proof of stake coins. So you want to see what type of coin you have. If it's a proof of stake coin, and the proof of work coins as well, you can then research to find in which wallet you will find the greatest amount of interest. So that's only the first point. For instance, I have an app that I use, which is called VOYAGER, and the Bitcoin interest there is about 7.45%. The last time I looked at it anyway, it was about 7.45%, which beat the interest I was getting on my Bitcoin on my exchanges and some of the other wallets. So I moved my Bitcoin into my Voyager wallet. I made sure I didn't move everything, but I moved a good portion of it into it. Now, BlockFi is another platform is a platform come a wallet as well, and they offer great rates. I uploaded a video on BlockFi just 3 days ago, so check that out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this will be a good time. And whilst we're still at this, I don't really ask for money or anything on my channels, but one thing I do ask for is that you hit that like button and that'll be a good place to start. Okay, let me take a few more questions. Humphrey says, I stake on PancakeSwap. It's easy to use, but Matic is a bit complicating. Yes, well, hopefully I've helped to simplify the process of staking on Matic, because really the only thing you need to do is you need to buy Matic. Now, of course, you need to search on the internet where you can buy Matic. It'll give you a list of exchanges where you can actually buy Matic. And on those exchanges, it'll give you the cryptocurrency pairs. So you'll see something like USDT/MATIC. That means you need USDT to secure MATIC. And if you go onto Binance, and I'm trying to think, on Binance, I think I needed, I bought my MATIC on Binance using BUSD. So I used their stable coin. Figure out what you need to secure MATIC B. USDT on Binance is BUSD. I couldn't use my USDT. I couldn't use my Tether to buy MATIC on Binance. Now, maybe you can use Tether USDT to buy MATIC on some other exchange. Do the research. The internet is there. There's a reason why it's called the information highway, because every piece of information you need is sitting there. And then pick up your MATIC, and then once you've got your MATIC, then you transfer your MATIC into your Celcius wallet, the same way you would transfer any of your other coins. And if you don't know how, if you're so new to cryptocurrency and you're not too sure on how to transfer your coins, I'm sure I have a video, maybe from the very early days, on how to transfer. I think I did something like how to transfer your coins from Gemini, which is a cryptocurrency platform, from Gemini to Binance. So to help you, for you newcomers to cryptocurrency, to know how to transfer your coins from one platform to the other. And so once your MATIC hits the Celcius wallet, voila, that's it. It starts earning you 10.5%. Let's see, I can take a few more questions. Yeah, so Humphrey also says, what's the difference between the proof of work and the proof of stake? I think, well, the basic difference is Bitcoin is a proof of work coin. And all that means is, in order to mint new coins, you need to mine them with your equipment, with your powerful computer, the way miners do. But with a proof of stake coin, you don't need to mine to get rewards. So with the proof of work coins, you need to mine them to get rewards. But with the proof of stake coins, you need to stake your coins to get the rewards. That's the basic difference. And so with the mining and the staking are ways in which the blockchains are secured. So you're buying your Bitcoin or you're buying your cryptocurrency and you're sort of loaning it back to the blockchain, and that helps with the validation of new transactions. And because you've loaned your money back to the blockchain, then you get rewards, and this is what we now call the interest. I hope that answers your question. Okay, thanks for being here. Hit that like button, and I will see you all in the next live stream.